Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the shortcuts in the ArtFlow app. But firstly I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 followers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app, then go to the top left corner and open the menu bar. And here the fourth option is the settings. You have to go to the settings. And here you can see shortcuts, and here if you scroll down you can read about these keyboard shortcuts. You just have to scroll down. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.